Okay, so today we are making my special pasta. It has tomatoes, asparagus, broccoli, garlic, onions, parsley, spinach, peas, salt, oregano, a stick of butter, like this whole thing, angel hair. You can really use any noodle you want, but I prefer angel hair. And some bread, garlic bread. Here's an easy way to cut parsley. Okay, so we got all the ingredients nice and cut. We got pans, stuff heating up. We got this ready. All right, so all the ingredients are cut. So the oil. We're going to be adding the onions, just for now. All right, so now that we've got that in there, just a little bit, and then it's gonna cook. It's halfway done. Yeah, we should have put these on a separate plate, shouldn't we? But it looks pretty cool, so I thought it was okay. But there's just so many of everything, because this is for 9 people. All right, so now we got the garlic, and we're gonna put this in. So some parsley on my hand. Now I am adding my tomatoes. So now I have added the spinach. If you're using frozen spinach, try and cook out all of the water before you add anything else in with it. We're putting a lot in because it's for 9 people. It's really easy to make. It's really quick.
What do you guys eat there that we don't eat here?
We put meat because we don't eat meat here. We don't eat meat.
What's your favorite meat to put in it?
Sausage.
Sausage, okay.
Okay. So you got your stick of butter, which you should use a different stick of butter because you also need some for the garlic bread, and you need some for the actual pasta. And you're going to put some garlic salt in there with it, just a little bit. Peas. Yeah. And asparagus. And you put in your parsley with it. Give it some more flavor.
Flavor Town! I'm taking it to Flavor Town!
This is also a really good thing to put in. Wait, why? Because it gives it a little more flavor. You cook it all the alcohol out.
Very good.
So it's just the flavor left with it. All right, let's add some more butter, half a stick. Okay, so now we're going to be putting in the noodles.
When did you get that one? A year ago.
It's heavy. Alrighty. Now we're mixing it in. Parmesan.
You've seen pictures of her.
Nothing to see. Nothing to see here.